Hey, good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. Hurry up and hit that share button. Share this gorgeous view. Absolutely beautiful. It's just a couple minutes after 7 o'clock. This is the south shore of Wiggins Pass. I'm actually looking to the east. This is the north end of Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park. 77 degrees. Absolutely spectacular. I wish you were here with me. A little bit of a breeze hitting me in the face here. Wow, is it ever glorious. The birds calling out. Getting some gorgeous sun rays over there. Look at that. Wow. Sorry about that. I just wanted to get a photo of it before it disappeared. Man, look at the water. Look at those reflections in the water. It's a beauty. Still dark behind me. Gonna be dealing with some wind noise again this morning. I just can't win when it comes to audio. Everything works fine before I leave the house, and then I get to the beach and it doesn't work. I have no clue. Are my microphones allergic to water? I don't know. Oh. Wow. I do the best I can for you. I do what I can when I can. I've been out on the beach now pretty much every morning for 2 weeks straight. Even though I didn't do live feeds, I was still out on the beach trying to keep you updated on what was going on with Helene. Now we've got some bad weather, looks like headed our way again. Man, we just can't win. Give me 1 minute here. I want to record just a little video. Sorry about that. Sorry, my friends, but I just love to capture those moments for posterity. Boy, this has changed a lot up here now. We're almost at low tide. Low tide at Wiggins Pass is at 8:45 this morning. But it looks like we're getting some more sand starting to build up back in here. You can see it at low tide now. Eventually, it looks like this might be closing off right in here. Constantly changing, constantly changing. Amazing. You can see it's still dark. Got that smell of low tide. You can smell the mud, the exposed bottom here along the pass. Just kind of a mucky kind of mud. Gets kind of a funky smell. Gonna get up to 90 today. The water temperature is about 87. You can hear that wind hitting the camera, hitting the mic. It's coming, well, kind of feels to me like the east. It said northeast on my app. It's gorgeous out here. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I wish you were out here with me. Take a walk over to the other side of the point here. See if any of our wading birds and shorebirds are out there feeding. They send some stars if you're liking what you're seeing here. Tips always hugely appreciated, my friends, especially now. Bills are due. Always way behind. You all are awesome. Those of you that sent tips during that storm, thank you. I appreciate that. Ooh, look at that. Getting those soft pink clouds up there. Well, we're here together, enjoying the splendor of God's glory here. Please don't forget about our fellow Americans, millions of fellow Americans, what they're going through right now because of Hurricane Helene. The loss of life, loss of homes, people without a roof over their head, no food, no water. Clothes, the only thing they have are the clothes on their back. They're without communication. They're just starting to get communication. Look at all our little birds here. Wow. Please don't forget about them. I want to vomit when I hear about FEMA not having the funds to take care of our brothers and sisters. That disgusts me. They need to be held accountable for their stupidity. Normally I don't talk about politics, but I am royally pissed right now. Not having the money to take care of our own. Baboons. Anyway, you get the idea of where I'm coming from and how I feel. Let's enjoy the beauty and the splendor of daybreak in North Naples. Man, this water is going crazy with fish. All jumping around out here, splashing around. The birds swooping over to them. Look, that's all fish jumping out in here. Two great blue herons off in the distance, squawking. Wow. I am in heaven. Heaven, heaven, heaven. You know, we were very, very, very lucky here in Naples with Helene. She just brushed us, even just north of us in Charlotte County. The damage was way worse than here in Naples. I'm not discounting what happened here in Naples, but we were very lucky. course, we're watching, well, I don't even know what number it is now, whatever that storm is. Now they're giving it a 40% chance of development, but pretty much all the models have it coming right over South Florida. Hopefully it's just going to be a rainmaker and not a lot of wind or surge or any of that, but we are paying attention. Look at that sky. Holy cow. The birds are all behind me and the fish are all over here in the water. All the action is up here. I don't think they're going to come swimming over to you guys. Got a lot of birds out here this morning. Where's the dolphins? The dolphins should be chasing after the fish as well. Boy, the birds just go all the way down around here. I can't believe the fish. They're having a little feeding frenzy. Now they're back down here. They're just going back and forth, all the fish. Beautiful great blue heron there. This is Wiggins Pass in North Naples, Florida. If you're just tuning in, we're at the breakfast buffet. Everybody lined up, waiting for their order to come swimming by. Birds are squabbling amongst themselves. There's plenty of fish out here, kids. No need to be fighting. There's plenty of opportunity for everybody here.